Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hasib. In this video we will learn design concept. So what is a design concept? Design is the meaningful representation of something that has to be built. You want to build something, you have to represent that. You have to represent the class diagram, data structure diagram on a paper or using any kind of software. So what are the four major areas of design? Design focus on a four major areas. These are data, architecture, interface and component. These four are the major concern of the design concept. You have to focus on data, what are our data structure and you are using, and architecture, how the system will work, and interface, what the user interaction, how the user will interact within the web-based interaction or Android interaction, and the last one is component, how the individual component are organized. So now we will talk about fundamentals of design concepts. What are fundamental of design concepts? So design concept consists of the 9 fundamentals: abstraction, refinement, modularity, software architecture, control hierarchy, structure partitioning, data structure, software procedure and information hiding. So we will discuss one by one in a step. Abstraction. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is a concept of defining something conceptually, hiding the internal detail of data or procedure. Abstraction means hiding information. You are hiding the internal detail of the code. So you want to build something, you hide the internal detail. It's just like a black box technique. You pass the data to the function and you does not know how the function are implemented. So is refinement. Refinement is the decomposing of microscopic level statement of a function, a procedural abstraction in a stepwise. Refinement means improving. When you code, the next time you improve the version of the code by explaining the detail. Refinement, improving. Filtering and improvement, this is known as refinement. Next is modularity. Modularity is the division of a separately named and rest component called module that are integrated to software. Module means you have to divide the overall structure into module parts. Module mean parts. What is module? Is just a file of a language. For example, .html is just a module. .py, a file containing extension. .py, module just a file containing code. Architecture is the combination of modules and the intersection between them and their communication between the different modules. It's combined, the different combination of the module and their communication are combined. So we call this software architecture. Control hierarchy. Control hierarchy is the combination of modules represented in a tree data structure. So we have different modules. These are arranged in a tree form data structure. In tree we have nodes and we have edges. So in hierarchy we represent these in a tree structure form. So we have subordinate and superordinate module. So what do I mean? We have module defined in a tree data structure. The root node is called superordinate and the beyond the low level are called subordinate. Superordinate control subordinate and subordinate is controlled by super, vice versa. So next we have structural partitioning. In structural partitioning we define module in horizontal or vertical, and next we have structural partitioning. In structural partitioning we define module in a horizontal and vertical manner. In horizontal we have different part of a same module, and in vertical structure we have child of the parent module. Horizontal partitioning defines separate branch of modular hierarchy for each major program function. Vertical partitioning provides division between the managerial module and the worker module at different level. So in vertical partitioning we have managerial module and we have worker module. So data structure. Next we have data structure. Data structure is the representation of the logical relationship among individual element of the data. So data structure are the storage of a memory in runtime, where hard disk is used to store the permanent data, where RAM is used to store runtime data. So runtime data storage is known as data structure. So these are the main concern of the design. So the big companies like Google, Facebook use this concept to have a larger pool of a ready queue of process to be available to execute. So they are using memory management and data structure techniques to optimize their performance of execution. So Next is software procedure. Software procedure focus on the processing detail of each module individually. So in software procedure we focus on the individual module and their detailed execution. So in software procedure we concern with about the detailed execution of each module, what are the function, what are the data types, and how will behave with the other modules, so their intersection. So information hiding. So hiding is just like the classes in a object-oriented programming language, Java. So what we do in Java, we have a private method, SS specifier. We use SS specifier with a method. We have private method, public method, and protected method. So we encapsulate data and function in a class. So what we do, we hide all the personal detail of the given module inside the Java file. So that's similar to information hiding. Information hiding is just like hiding an unnecessary or a private detail. Information hiding is just like hiding private detail of a module that should not be accessed by another module, such as credit card information, transaction detail, password, etc. These are hiding and these are fixed to the individual modules. So these are information hiding. So we have discussed 9 concepts of design. So we have discussed 9 design concepts, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share and subscribe. Thank you.